Welcome to our factory. We've been manufacturing boilers in Worcester since 1962 and have occupied this amazing purpose-built facility on the outskirts of Worcester since 1990. Here we can manufacture up to 1,600 boilers a day. Every boiler produced has a unique data label attached to it. This contains the serial number and identifies the appliance for life. This identity enables us to monitor it throughout our manufacturing processes, recording each stage of production, quality testing, and then its life with the customer. If anyone ever has a query about a boiler's history, all we need is the serial number. Production here is achieved by our amazing operations teams, split into pre-assembly and final assembly, who adhere to and continuously improve our operating standards, ensuring the core focus is always the quality of our products. In parallel, we have our engineering functions teams who keep everything running smoothly. They are a highly skilled workforce responsible for maintaining all the machinery you can see here, as well as looking to the future, identifying process improvements and new technologies we can introduce to ensure we're state of the art. For example, meet R2-D2 and C3PO, our automated guided vehicles, who transport completed boilers from the end of our production line to our logistics centre for dispatch. Also, 3D printers have now become an essential part of our manufacturing process design. They enable us to develop production equipment prototypes more quickly, so that new ideas and concepts can be explored and production can be improved rapidly as a result. It's through this openness to new ideas and new technology and our highly skilled manufacturing team that our boilers are built to the highest standards, providing years of reliable, efficient service in our customers' homes.